Welcome back to our channel where we simplify your online banking. Today, we're diving into how to sign into your Cooperative Bank Online Banking account. Whether you're a first timer or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Managing your finances online has never been easier, especially with Coop Bank's user-friendly platform. Let's not waste any time and get straight into the steps you need to follow to access your account online. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Cooperative Bank website. Make sure you're visiting the correct site to keep your financial information secure. Here, you can type in Co-op Bank login. Now simply click on the first link that you find. Now you can simply view the bank's online page. You will now be asked to enter your login details. This includes your username or customer number and your password. So here write your username and click on next. After doing so, you have to write the password, and for security measures you need to enter the first and fifth digit of your 6-digit security code. After writing it, simply click on continue. Once you've entered your details correctly and completed any security checks, you'll be taken to your online banking dashboard. From here, you can check your balances, make transfers, pay bills, and more. And that's it. You're now signed into your Cooperative Bank Online Banking account. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to sign into your Cooperative Bank Online Banking account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tips. Happy banking and see you in our next video.